how do I start this thing and how do I know what to talk about? How do I process what's the process that I should be going through to figure out topics?
Step one, I'm going to give your listener a place to go because we have a really good, it is technically a lead magnet. So I would get your listeners' email when they get this. But that's just the way that it goes, right? That's just the way it goes. And when your listener has their own podcast, they have to be thinking like this also.
Mhm.
But just because based on how you ask that, what is the process of solving all of this? Number one is absolutely understanding the avatar. And we've created an avatar questionnaire that all of our clients use. And you go to growyourshow.com/templates. But the point being is you can download a 4-page avatar questionnaire and it goes through the psychographics, the way that they think, what they're worried about, the demographics, where they live, how much they make, etc., what kind of house, what kind of car, and the geographics, meaning like the location, where are they? Are they in this kind of area? Are they in that kind of area? Are they in this country or that country? So psychographics, demographics, geographics, how much do they make? What are they thinking? And what do they want? Now you look at the 4th page of the avatar questionnaire, which is all about your niche. This is so important because now you figure out how do you serve that person differently than anybody else. And if it's okay, I'll tell a quick story. So there was this guy, his name is, you got to like hit your chest when you say it because it was a cave person and that's just how they did it. His name's and discovered fire. He was excited. He like figured out fire and he was thrilled what it could do. He noticed that he would hold it and the saber-toothed tiger would run away. And his kid got eaten by a saber-toothed tiger. So now he's found something that can protect his children. It's this fire. He also was able to start cooking some of the meats and other foods, and it was more digestible, and he didn't have the runs as much, right? He also found out that he could stay warm at night. He also said he found out he didn't have to be in the cave. So it would protect his children. It would make his food more palatable, and it would keep him warm at night. So he didn't have to do certain things. So he brings it to the chief, and the chief freaks out. The chief is like, no, this isn't what we're about. This is obviously of the devil. If you touch it, it will burn you. If you let it go out of control, it will start a huge fire. We're not doing anything. And so decided that he needed to draw a line in the sand. So this goes to your question. What do we need to talk about on our podcast? We are freaking out. We're not sure if we got enough to say. But once we totally understand that avatar and we understand our niche within that avatar, we now have to draw a line in the sand and say, on that side of the line, this is what happens. But on this side of the line, this is the thing that happens.